Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome to my online class. I am Jinnatun Nisa, lecturer, Department of Home Science, Milestone College. I hope all of you are fine. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today we are going to discuss on Chapter 10, Functions of Food and Nutrient, Lesson 7, Vitamin E and Vitamin K. After this class, we will be able to know about these topics: Vitamin E, sources of Vitamin E, functions of Vitamin E, deficiency of Vitamin E, sources of Vitamin K, functions of Vitamin K, and deficiency of Vitamin K. First, we know the chemical name of Vitamin E. Vitamin E refers to a group of compound known as tocopherol. Tocopherol are soluble in fat, soluble or insoluble in water. Let's know the sources of vitamin E. Cereal germ oil, for example, wheat germ oil, corn germ oil are the richest natural sources. Vegetable oil and fat are good sources. Cereal and animal foods such as liver, egg yolk, milk are fair sources of tocopherol. Vegetables and fruits are poor sources. These are the sources of vitamin E. Functions of vitamin E. Vitamin E prevent peroxidation of polysaturated fatty acid in tissue and cell membranes. It plays vital role in the protection of cell membranes. It protects fatty acid of the body from oxidation. It protects red blood cell from hemolysis by oxidation agent. Vitamin E is essential for normal reproduction in man. Prevent oxidation of vitamin A and carotene. It offers protection to liver injury caused by carbon tetrachloride poisoning. It prevents cataract. In the first image, there is a cell membrane and this membrane is protected by vitamin E. RBC is protected from hemolysis by oxidation agent with the help of vitamin E. In the last image, we can see that vitamin E prevents cataract. Deficiency of vitamin E. Reproductive failure, muscular dystrophy and paralysis are the other symptoms of vitamin E. Resorption of fetus. Now we are going to know about vitamin K. Vitamin K is chemically known as phytolnaphthalquinone. Mark this line. It is otherwise known as antihemorrhagic vitamin. It is yellowish in color, soluble in fat but insoluble in water. It is stable to heat, wind and moisture but is easily oxidized by light. Sources of vitamin K. The best sources of vitamin K are the green leafy vegetables, for example, alfalfa, spinach, cabbage, kale, etc. Good sources are cauliflower, soybean, wheat bran, wheat germ, etc. Carrot and potatoes are fair sources. Animal sources are sea fishes, egg yolk, meat, liver, cheese, milk, all of which are considered as poor sources of vitamin K. These are the sources of vitamin K. Functions of deficiency of vitamin K. Vitamin K is essential for the formation of prothrombin which helps normal clotting of blood. It is essential for regulating the normal bile flow. Deficiency of vitamin K. Low prothrombin level in blood, increased clotting time of blood, lack of bile in the intestine. In the first image, it shows that the prothrombin level in blood is low due to the deficiency of vitamin K. In the second image, lack of bile in the intestine is shown. I hope all of you have understood the topic which I have discussed in this class. For participating my online class attentively and carefully, thanks to all of you.